Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central McLean County in central Illinois, east central Tazewell County in central Illinois until 4:30 a.m. At 3:41 a.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Morton, or 8 miles east of Pekin, and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mackinac, Minear, Danvers, and Stanford. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 99 and 124. This includes Interstate 155 between mile markers 23 and 31. This storm has a history of producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service in Lincoln.